I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is the play-along for The Man in Me by Bob Dylan from the Big Lebowski soundtrack. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Thank you for playing along. If you had any problems at all, please say so in the comments section below this. Don't forget to check the links for other songs that you might like to learn. La, 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 la.